This week on Dak and Jew, we are making Dak's Hollandaise.
Okay, so first thing we need to do is separate 2 yolks from their white.
Now Dakota, why is your recipe so superior?
Now.
It is.
I know, but you know, I just, don't mind me, but it's me. So we have our 2 yolks in a stainless steel bowl, and we're going to whisk in a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is tang factor. And then this is where the elbow grease comes in. You're just going to whisk until it's really light and fluffy, and it's like maybe doubled in volume. Try to like whip air into it just by,
Like if you were making whipped cream by hand. Same technique. I'm just smelling it. I love ham.
I love ham. Okay, this is probably good. It's very light and frothy and probably doubled in volume. So I did this right in a stainless steel bowl that I'm going to place on top, hope you can see this, on top of a smaller pot that's full of just a little bit of water. If you have a double boiler, that's what this is basically emulating. Also, watch out, the bottom of the bowl should not touch the water because that will scramble them.
Yeah, that's key.
Too hot.
What Dakota's doing is the steam is actually going to be what's heating the bowl and cooking the eggs really, really slowly. And she's going to continually whisk while that's happening. The slow cooking process.
Then we have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. You're going to really slowly drizzle it in while you're whisking. Eventually this is going to, well, first of all, it's going to heat through, which is the biggest thing. And it's also going to kind of slowly thicken.
Great. Visually, I can see steam coming from the liquid, and it's definitely getting thicker, and it's turned this really beautiful, satiny, light yellow.
I actually think it's done.
Okay.
It's amazing how fast that happened. It was totally thin, and then all of a sudden it was like, whoa.
It's thick now.
Do I have custard?
Dakota's doing a hearty pinch of salt. We gotta season this. We're gonna add a little bit of cayenne and a little bit of paprika.
If you feel like making eggs Benedict for a crowd, you can actually make this ahead of time and then just let it like sit while you're doing everything else. And then if it gets too thick or too chilly, you just add a little bit of, a couple drops of hot water, retaste for seasoning, good to go. We're definitely gonna do that. And so it's gotten really thick at this point, way too thick for my liking. I just have some of the hot water that I poured into the butter thing, and I'm just gonna dribble a little bit in. And if you do this, just whisk until it loosens up, see? And it also will help heat it up again.
Yeah.
But you will have to kind of like re-taste for seasoning. We took a whole video of us tasting this, and it wasn't recording, which is so classic. So
Here's our reaction again, our hot take.
yeah, this is what we did the first time. Wow, this looks so good.
Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this.
I'm just wondering what it tastes like.
I've never had eggs Benedict before.
Okay, well, that's not true. Mmm.
Big bite.
That is as big as your first one.
Yeah, I know. So good.
I don't even need to fake this because it's freaking fabulous. The lemon, the fresh herbs on top, so good.
You know, your tongue is being coated with this like rich sauce. What? That's what happens. And then the onion comes through and just like slice. Wait, onion?
I mean that too, the chives.
That's true. The lemon just like comes in full force in such a pleasing way.
I just want to be alone with this now.
No, we just want to eat it. So it's really good. You should definitely make it. And now we're going to go eat it and not talk to each other.